This is Dr. David W. Kim. This video blog is about laser skin resurfacing. Now, I'm a facial plastic surgeon, and many patients come into the office thinking that surgery is going to fix all of their problems and make them look younger. So people come in looking for a facelift, looking for rhinoplasty, looking for an eyelid surgery to try to create an overall rejuvenation of the face. What sometimes people don't remember is that surgery sculpts and changes the shape and repositions soft tissue, but it doesn't do as good of a job taking care of the surface changes. And the surface is very important. The surface is our interaction with the rest of the world. When somebody looks at you, they see your skin. They see pigmentary issues, they might see wrinkles, they might see lines. And that has to be youthful in order for a total rejuvenation to occur. Now, laser skin resurfacing has been around for a long time. It's just something that not a lot of people have been excited about because it takes so much recovery. It is a procedure that creates significant thermal damage to the skin surface, and historically patients have to go into recovery or hiding for about 3 weeks. People today don't want to tolerate that type of downtime. So fractionated resurfacing is a new technology that's emerged. This is a technology that we have in our office through the Luminous FX system. This system basically uses laser energy that's passed through a filter and delivered through these discrete columns of energy. This circle represents the deep FX setting of our laser. In this setting, these very narrow yet deep columns of energy are treated to the skin so that they stimulate collagen production, eradicating fine lines or wrinkles. In the active setting, wider columns of energy are delivered, encompassing a greater surface area, but these columns do not go as deep. So these are better for treating things like photo damage or pigmentary problems like brown spots. When both technologies are applied to the same area, we have improvements both in contour as well as skin surface texture and color. The energy of laser basically removes or ablates this damaged tissue. So the sun damaged tissue, the age damaged tissue, it basically gets rid of it. There's also a residual treatment area. So this thermal damage extends beyond the immediate interface of the laser and the skin. This area creates collagen remodeling and wound healing, which does wonders for eradication of fine lines and contour problems. This demonstrates the ablative portion, which removes the damaged skin, and the residual thermal zone stimulates the deeper area to create this new collagen. So the combination of these two create total rejuvenation of the skin surface. This sequence of photos demonstrates the immediate recovery period after the FX. So that is one of the benefits, is that the recovery happens much quicker. This patient before the treatment has mainly complaints of pigmentary issues. Immediately after the active FX setting, the area can be seen as being treated with these little dots around the face. Over the ensuing hours, the face becomes a little bit swollen and red, and a day later there's a fine crusting that happens over the face. 3 days later, the skin is significantly healed, and by 5 days it's healed enough that makeup can be applied. This is a typical post-operative or post-procedure result. This patient has significant improvement in skin contour as well as the pigmentary problems after the active FX. When the deep FX is applied, there are more eradication of wrinkles and lines around the face. And when both technologies are applied, there's improvement of both skin texture and color as well as contour of the lines and wrinkles. In summary, laser resurfacing is a very important complement to surgery to create a total rejuvenation of the face. A facelift and eyelid lift can create structural improvement, but those textural improvements are very important, both in color, tone, as well as eradication of wrinkles. The FX treatment is our version of the fractionated system. It's safer, it's effective, and it requires much less downtime or recovery than the traditional methods of laser resurfacing. This is just the surface of laser resurfacing. If you're interested in learning more about this procedure, you can visit my website at www.dwkimmd.com.